Did you know that a mosquito's buzz, often the soundtrack to our summer evenings, is actually the sound of its wings beating hundreds of times per second? This tiny creature, barely larger than a fingernail, has plagued humanity for millennia, leaving an indelible mark on our history and health. Mosquitoes are found on every continent except Antarctica, thriving in diverse habitats ranging from tropical rainforests to temperate woodlands. Their ability to adapt to different climates and environments has made them one of the most successful species on Earth. But their success comes at a cost. Mosquitoes are vectors for numerous diseases, transmitting deadly pathogens to humans and animals through their bites. Understanding these tiny terrors, their life cycle, and the threats they pose is crucial for protecting ourselves and our communities. While often perceived as nothing more than annoying pests, mosquitoes play a surprisingly important role in various ecosystems. Their larvae, which develop in aquatic environments, serve as a vital food source for fish, amphibians, and other insects. Adult mosquitoes, while feeding on nectar and plant juices, contribute to pollination, aiding in the reproduction of various plant species. In fact, some plants rely solely on mosquitoes for their survival. However, their role as pollinators and a food source is overshadowed by their impact on human health. The diseases they transmit cause immense suffering and mortality, making mosquitoes one of the deadliest creatures on Earth. Mosquitoes undergo a fascinating life cycle known as complete metamorphosis, transitioning through 4 distinct stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Females lay their eggs in stagnant water where they hatch into larvae called wigglers. These larvae feed on organic matter in the water, growing rapidly. The next stage is the pupa, also known as a tumbler, which is a resting stage where the mosquito undergoes significant transformation. Finally, the adult mosquito emerges from the pupal casing, ready to fly, mate, and potentially transmit diseases. Section 4. Silent stalkers, mosquitoes and disease. Mosquitoes are notorious for their role as vectors of serious diseases, including malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, West Nile virus, and yellow fever. These diseases can cause a wide range of symptoms, from fever and headaches to severe neurological complications and even death. Malaria, in particular, remains a significant global health concern, claiming hundreds of thousands of lives annually, primarily in tropical and subtropical regions. Dengue fever, another mosquito-borne illness, is on the rise globally, causing debilitating joint pain and potentially fatal complications. The impact of mosquito-borne diseases extends beyond individual health, affecting economies, healthcare systems, and overall development in affected regions. Section 5. A global menace: mosquitoes and human health. The burden of mosquito-borne diseases falls disproportionately on developing countries with limited access to healthcare and mosquito control resources. These diseases trap communities in cycles of poverty, hindering economic growth and social progress. The World Health Organization estimates that over 1 million people die each year from mosquito-borne illnesses, with millions more suffering from illness and disability. Climate change is exacerbating the problem, expanding the range of disease-carrying mosquitoes and increasing the risk of outbreaks. Efforts to control mosquito populations, develop effective vaccines, and improve access to treatment are crucial for mitigating the impact of these diseases and protecting global health. Section 6. Fighting back: protecting yourself from bites. While eradicating mosquitoes entirely is a daunting task, there are effective measures individuals can take to protect themselves from bites and reduce the risk of disease transmission. Using insect repellents containing DEET, picaridin, or oil of lemon eucalyptus can deter mosquitoes. Wearing long-sleeved clothing and pants, especially during peak mosquito activity periods, provides a physical barrier. Eliminating mosquito breeding sites around homes is crucial. This includes removing standing water from containers, cleaning gutters, and maintaining swimming pools. Using mosquito nets over beds, especially in areas with high mosquito densities, provides an additional layer of protection. Section 7. Beyond the bite: the surprising world of mosquitoes. Despite their reputation as pests, mosquitoes possess some intriguing characteristics. For instance, did you know that only female mosquitoes bite? They require a blood meal to obtain the protein necessary to develop their eggs. Male mosquitoes, on the other hand, feed on nectar and plant juices. They are also attracted to the sound of female mosquitoes, using their feathery antennae to locate potential mates. Another fascinating fact is that mosquitoes are incredibly sensitive to carbon dioxide, which humans and animals exhale. They can detect carbon dioxide from a distance, using it to locate their next blood meal. While mosquitoes remain a nuisance and a threat to human health, understanding their biology, behavior, and ecological importance provides a more nuanced perspective on these tiny creatures that have shared our planet for millions of years.